Hi, this question appeared on JEE Advanced 2020 in its first paper. It is a multi-correct answer question and the question is from the topic 3D geometry. So let us go ahead and solve this question. But before we do that, I would strongly recommend each one of you to pause this video at this moment and give this question a try. So now we have two lines given, L1 and L2. So L1 is x minus 1 by 1 is equals to y by minus 1 is equal to z minus 1 by 3, and L2 is x minus 1 by minus 3 is equal to y by minus 1 is equals to z minus 1 by 1. So we have two lines like this. This line is L1 and this line is L2, and the equations are given, and there is one more line L lies in the plane containing L1 and L2 and passes through the point of intersection. So it passes through this intersection point and it bisects the angle between the lines. So this angle and this angle are equal. So it bisects the angle. So it is basically internal angular bisector. Alright. Now let us find out this intersection point first. So let this be P and let this be Q. So then from this, x coordinate will be P plus 1. Y coordinate will be minus p, z coordinate will be 3p plus 1, and this for this x coordinate will be minus 3q plus 1 minus q plus 1. So for the point of intersection, this coordinate should be equal to these coordinates. So p plus 1 is equals to minus 3q plus 1, and if we equate y coordinates, minus p is equals to minus q. Therefore p is equals to q. So let us put that here. P plus 1 is equal to minus 3p plus 1. So 4p is equals to 0. P is equals to 0. Therefore, q is also equals to 0. So then what is the intersection point? Put the value of q in this. Intersection point is 1, 0 and 1. This is the intersection point. So here the equation of line L is given. Alright. So let us also find out equation of line L. So what is the directional ratios of this line L? Since it is angular bisector, drs will be the drs of line L1 plus drs of line L2. So drs of L1 is 1, minus 1 and 3. So these things. And drs of L2 will be minus 3, minus 1 and 1. Minus 3, minus 1 and 1. So this will be minus 2, and 4. That is same as 1, 1 and minus 2. So this is the point on the line L and these are the drs. So equation can be written as x minus 1 by 1 is equals to y minus 0 by 1 is equals to z. Okay. Z minus this is z minus 1 by minus 2. But what is the equation given in the question? X minus alpha by L is equal to y minus 1 by m is equal to z minus gamma by minus 2. So this is the equation we got and this is the equation given in the question. Okay. So from these two equations we can say 1, 0, 1 lies on the line L, and also alpha, 1, gamma lies on the line L. So from these 2 points we can find drs. So that will be alpha minus 1, 1 and gamma minus 1. These will be drs of the line. But we already know the drs. So that is 1, 1 and minus 2. Therefore we can write alpha minus 1 by 1 is equals to 1 by 1 is equal to gamma minus 1 by minus 2. So from this alpha is equals to 2 when you compare these two, and when you compare these two, gamma is equals to minus 1. Now we have to find out L and M. Alright. So let us equate these two. Then we'll get x minus 1 is equals to y. So x is equals to y plus 1. Let us do the similar thing here. Let us equate these two. X minus alpha times m is equal to L times y minus 1. So mx minus alpha is 2. So 2m is equal to Ly minus L. So mx is equals to Ly minus L plus 2m. So x is equals to L by my minus L by m plus 2. So these two equations we can compare. So L by m should be is equals to 1 and minus L by m plus 2 should be is equals to 1. So this implies L is equals to m and this is 1. So this is minus. Okay. So this holds good. Okay. From this L by m is equals to 1. Now what we will do, we will equate we will equate these two and these two. So from the first equation, minus 2y is equal to z minus 1. So 2y is equals to minus z plus 1. Alright. From the second equation, y minus 1 by m is equals to z minus gamma is minus 1. So this is plus 1 by minus 2. So minus 2y plus 2 is equal to mz plus m. 2y minus 2 is equal to minus mz minus m. 2y is equal to minus mz minus m plus 2. So if you compare this equation and this equation, m is clearly 1. So from this we can write L is 1. So L is 1, m is 1, alpha is 2, gamma is minus 1. L is 1, m is 1, alpha is 2, gamma is minus 1. These are the values we got. So now alpha minus gamma is 3. So this is correct. L plus m is 2. This is also correct. Alpha minus gamma is not 1. L plus m is not 0. So A and B are the correct options.